In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture in Google Slides using a white background as an example. This is a really useful tool for creating polished and professional presentations that make your content stand out. Let's dive in and go step by step. First, head over to Google Slides by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, you can either click on Blank Presentation to start fresh or choose from a variety of templates if you have a specific design in mind. Templates can save time and give your slides a ready-made professional look. With your new presentation open, locate the Insert menu at the top of your screen and click on it. From there, select Image to upload the picture you want to edit. You can upload images from your computer, Google Drive, or even a web link, depending on where your file is stored. Once your image is on the slide, position it roughly where you want it to appear. Now comes the crucial part, removing the background. To do this, you'll need to use an extension. Move your cursor to the Extensions tab at the top menu and click on it. If you haven't already installed a background remover, follow the prompts to add one. Look for an extension called Background Remover for Images or a similar tool. Once installed, click on it and select Open. This will open a side panel right next to your slide, making it easy to work alongside your presentation. In the panel, simply click on Start Remove. The tool will take a moment to process your image and isolate the main subject from the background. Once it's done, you'll have a clean, background-free image that you can reposition, resize, and layer within your slide according to your creative needs. If the background doesn't remove as cleanly as you'd like, a quick touch-up using any simple third-party editing software can help refine the edges. With this technique, you're not only learning a new skill in Google Slides, but also enhancing the visual impact of your presentations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create slides that are both informative and visually engaging. Keep experimenting with different images, and you'll soon be able to produce professional quality presentations with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.